Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is yn unig, which means only. Yn unig. As in, siopwyr yn unig, shoppers only. Yn unig, only.